Hello friends, I Anjali welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see a product which is POS Gold Suraksha, which is a product of Bajaj Allianz Life. Right. So POS Gold Suraksha, it is a non-linked product that is not related to market product. If it is non-linked product, then it is non-participating product also, because non-part you will not get any kind of bonus because it is not linked to market. If it is not related to market, then the company would not able to invest their money into fund, and they would not get any kind of they would not get any kind of investment or interest. That's why you're not able to get bonus also. No market, no linked to market, no bonus. So see, you have to see which product it is, from which company it is, what are the benefits of these products, what is premium paying term, what are the policy term, what are the pre-paying term, what are the benefits you are getting, whether it is suitable for you, whether it is an investment plan or just like a normal insurance products. You have to see all these things. So see, POS Gold Suraksha, that is point of sale Gold Suraksha, non-linked market, no linked, no bonus, no participating, guaranteed maturity benefits. So what you will get? Guaranteed maturity benefits, that is 10 times of annualized premium, 105% of total premium paid as on date of death, and sum assured. Offers guaranteed addition at maturity, limited premium paying term, life cover throughout the policy term, tax benefits. So see, you will get three things. You will get guaranteed maturity benefit. You don't have to pay any taxes for this, and you don't have to go for any physical examination in this plan. So minimum age is 18 years, maximum age is 50 years, minimum maturity period is 33 years, maximum maturity period is 65 years. Policy term is 15 or 20 years. You can take up to 15 years also, and you can take up to 20 years. Policy term, the number of year you are taking for your policy. So for example, they have given here 15 and 20. PPT is pre-paying term. For how much year you want to pay the premium term. For example, 5, 7, 8, 10, 12. For 15 years. If you are taking 15 years policy, then you will get till 5 years you have to pay, or till 7 years you have to pay, or till 8 years. You can choose among them. And for 20 years also, 5, 7, 8, 10, 12. So see, minimum sum assured is 25 to 30,000, and maximum sum assured is rupees 25 lakhs. Premium for ideal customer is 25,000 to 30,000. Maximum premium is rupees 2,50,000. So why this plan is important? What is this plan? So see, why it is important for you. To whom this is important for you? If you want to take education for your children, see, they have given this Bajaj Allianz Life POS Gold Suraksha, non-linked, non-participating life individual limited premium payment non-medical POS endowment saving plan. So it is basically a saving plan, and they will give guaranteed maturity benefit, guaranteed additions at maturity, tax-free returns, hassle-free insurance without medical. So you don't have to go for any physical thing for medical, and you don't have to pay any kind of taxes. So they have given the guaranteed sum assured 10 times of annualized premium plus guaranteed addition. and guaranteed addition table they have given here. And in case of death of the life assured during the waiting period of 19, these are the conditions. You don't have to go inside this. When you will take this when you will take this plan, so you have to see if I go into technical term. See, in case of death of the life assured during the waiting period of 90 days, other than due to an accident, the death benefit payable to the nominee beneficiaries will be 100% of total premium paid till death. In case of unfortunate death due to accident during waiting period, or in case of death after the waiting period due to any case, the death benefit is payable to nominee beneficiary. So I think if you want to take education loan, then you can go ahead for this product. This is basically if you want to take education loan for your daughter. For example, see, बच्चों के लिए बेहतर पढ़ाई समझो हो ही गया. If you want to educate your child, you can go for this plan. So on the maturity, the guaranteed sum assured on maturity plus guaranteed addition under your policy will be paid on, and the policy will terminate. Then death benefit in case unfortunate death of the life assured due to accident during the waiting period, or in case of death of life assured after the waiting period due to any cause, the death benefit is payable to the nominee beneficiary. Such death benefit is stated as sum assured, and death which is below the sum assured on death is the higher of. They have given this 10 times and 105%. See, if you want to educate your child, you can go ahead with this plan. If you don't want to educate your child, please don't buy this plan. It's very simple. If you want to see any kind of plan, normal things you have to see. What are the benefits they are providing to you, whether it is important to take this plan or not. If it is important, then what is the premium? For example, in this case, 25,000 to 30,000. How much premium you should pay? What is your financial position? You can pay. If you are ready to pay 30,000 for your children, then go ahead. They will give you various kinds of benefits. They have given that at maturity period you will get some assured 10 times of annual premium. You will get 105% things you will get. So you have to see these kind of things. You first see simple. See, we will understand in layman language. If you are taking POS Goal Suraksha, why POS Goal Suraksha? Because you want to educate your child. What are the benefits? Maturity benefits, no income tax, then life cover throughout the policy, and guaranteed returns, then 10 times of your annual premium. Whether I can pay 25,000, yes, I am capable, so go ahead with this product. Thank you.